Welcome back. Today I am making chicken pulao. Now it's very different to chicken biryani. In chicken biryani you cook your chicken, you cook your rice, then you layer it up and that's your biryani done. In pulao you've got raw chicken, raw rice, then you cook it together in a pan and that gives you amazing flavor. So every single piece of rice would have amazing flavor from the chicken because it's cooked together. And there are loads of ways of making chicken pulao, loads of ways. Every region has their own way. I don't even want to go there. What I want to tell you is the recipe I'm doing today is the easiest, because of course if you can get something delicious in minutes, then why not? So first things first, I'm going to marinate the chicken for a very short little bit of time, maybe 10-15 minutes, because I'm going to cook it straight away. So I have got 6 pieces of chicken thighs with the bone for much more flavor, and I would think they would be roughly around 600-700 grams, because I know one of you are going to ask me, how much is the weight of the chicken? So yeah, around 600-700 grams. So with the chicken, I'm going to marinate it in 100 grams of natural yogurt. And with that, I'm going to throw in some spices. 3 cloves of garlic, a centimeter of ginger grated, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder. All of this will go into 100 grams of natural yogurt. All of this goes into the chicken. Just mix it up really well so that the chicken is coated properly, and then leave it aside while we get on with the onions. Now I've got a hot pan, good size so that it can hold all the rice and the water and the chicken, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to it. Once that is hot, I'm going to go in with all the spices. 2 bay leaves, a small stick of cinnamon, 4 green cardamoms, 4 cloves, maybe 8 to 10 peppercorns, black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. As soon as they sizzle, just throw in 4 roughly chopped onions. Really combine it well. Now this is going to take 5 to 8 minutes or 6 to 8 minutes. What we want is a really nice golden color. Now we've got the right color. I'm going to add in the marinated chicken into the pan and then just cook it on a high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. What we're looking for is for the chicken to get a very slightly golden color on one side on the pieces, and it'll only take 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. And now go in the 3 last spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala will go into the chicken. You can see that it's gone a little bit of color, which is what we want before we add the rice. So it's all got a lovely golden color to this. Now we're going to mix it and throw in our washed rice. Here I've got 2 cups of basmati rice, or 450 grams if you want the weight of it, and I have washed it and it's ready to go into the chicken. Rice in, I'm going to add double the amount of water. So 4 cups of water or 900 ml of boiling water goes in. Stir it really well. You don't want any lumps of onions or spices. Oh, if I could just tell you how amazing this smells. Then we're going to cover it, lower the heat and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll have a little check after that. The rice is done, I've had a little peek, and the chicken's done too, and now it's ready to be plated up. And that rice cooked in 25 minutes, the chicken is cooked beautifully, the house smells amazing. I can't wait to tuck in. For a day like today when it's raining and pouring outside, this is the answer to all your problems. Gorgeous plate of comfort foods. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up. Leave your comment. If you have any specific recipes you want me to try, subscribe. Oh my God. The flavors, God.